Good day, folks. The topic of discussion is health insurance, where Mr. Harsh Rungta, CEO of apnapaisa.com, will be answering all our queries regarding health insurance. If you have any health insurance related queries, you can write to us at www.facebook.com/apnapaisa. So, over to Mr. Rungta with our queries. Thank you. What is the difference between health insurance and Mediclaim policy?
Well, as the name suggests, health insurance means any insurance policy that covers you against the various risks to your health. Now, there could be many kinds of health insurance policy. The most popular kind is the policy in which if you get admitted to an hospital, then the expenses that you incur in the hospital are reimbursed to you. In insurance language, that's called a hospital expenses reimbursement policy. In India, by popular jargon, it is called Mediclaim. Actually, that is a brand name owned by the 4 public sector insurance companies, but essentially today it's become a common term. So we can talk of Mediclaim as being the policy that reimburses hospital expenses. The other kind of health insurance policy could be what is called a critical illness policy. Now, in a critical illness policy, if you get one of the illnesses, typically this includes very major illnesses such as organ failure, a kidney failure or a liver failure, or it might include a paralytic stroke, or it might include cancer, any disease that typically has a huge impact on your ability to earn. That is typically covered in a critical insurance policy, and a policy that pays a lump sum amount irrespective of what you spend on treating that disease. Now that is called a critical illness policy. Third policy could be what is called a major surgical benefit. For specific kinds of surgery, a lump sum again might be payable if you just show proof that that surgery has happened, irrespective of what is the actual expenses that you have incurred. So to summarize, 3 kinds of health insurance policies. 1, Mediclaim, which reimburses actual hospital expenditure that you incur in a hospital. 2, critical illness, that gives you a lump sum, doesn't have any connection with the expenses that you incur. For treatment, it gives you a lump sum if you incur any of the illnesses covered by the critical illness policy. And third, again a policy that gives you a lump sum if you undergo any of the major surgeries mentioned in the policy. These could be the 3 kind of health insurance policies that are most popular.